Now students, today we discuss page number 166. France became the constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy. The National Assembly completed the draft constitution in 1791. The main objective to limited power of the monarchies. Limited powers only to the king. Remaining powers rest with the parliament. These powers instead being the concentrated in the hand of one person were now spread to assign the different institutions. Before period, one man hand shows we can observe that is called monarchy system. But today, after 1791 in France government, we can observe legislative, executive, judiciary. Three are there through the running of the democratic systems. One is legislative, which one is elected by the people of that country, and executives, who are appointed by the government to work the government implement of schemes, and judiciary, that is called law, independent law. We can observe that these three are very important for the three major organs and agencies for the democracy. This made France become the constitutional monarchy. And above, further explain how the new political systems were worked. The Constitution 1791 vested the power with the new laws of National Assembly, which were indirectly elected. That is, citizens voted for a group of electors, who are those termed assemblies. Not all citizens have the right to vote. Only the men who have the 25 years age above and who paid the tax equal to at least 3 days of labor wages are given to status of the active citizens. Only active citizens have the right to vote. Those people are only right to vote. Those who are taxpayer. Okay, to qualify as the elector than the member of the assembly, a man had to belong to the highest bracket of the taxpayer. Also, they have to right to vote. So the Declaration of the Right to Man and Citizens. Now see here, the French Constitution. We can see here, men born and remain free, equal in rights. The main of the every political association is the preservation of the natural and inalienable rights of man. Those were the liberty, property, and security, and restraints of the oppressions. The source of all sovereignty states the nations. No group in the individual many access authorities that does not have come to from the people. Liberty means swecha. These consist of the power, whatever the no injuries to others. The liberty is not to make to harm to others. So we have the liberty not to destroy the what are the property of the private one or government one, not to interference in other matters. The law has to right to forbid only action that in the injuries of the societies. Law is the expression of the general will. All citizens have to right to participate in formations. Personally, through their representatives, all citizens are equal before of it. No man may be accused, arrested, or detained or extended in case determined by the law. Every citizen may speak, write, and print freely. He must take the responsibility for the abuse of such liberty in case of determined by the law. If it is abused, definitely may take into law conditions. For the maintenance of the public force, for the expansion of the administration, a common tax is indispensable. It must be assessed equal to all citizens property of their means. What are they made? They must be paid to the tax to government to maintain of the security forces. Since property is a scared and invaluable rights, no one may be deprived of it. Useless and legally establishment public necessity of the record. In that case, the just compensation must be given to the advance. Okay, such one we can observe in our Declaration right of man in citizens. Now the Constitution of the French, they began with the Declaration of Right to Man and Citizen. Rights such as the right to life, freedom of the speech, freedom of the opinion, equality before of law were established in natural and inalienable rights. This means the right belonged to each human being by birth and could not be taken away. It was the duty of the state to protect the citizens' natural rights. The government has to right to securing, not abolished. This system we can observe in the French government system. This situation in France continued to be tense during the following of years Though Louis XVI had signed the constitution, he entered into the secret negotiation of the kings of Prussia. The ruler of the neighboring countries was worried about the development of the France and made plans to send troops put down this event had been taken to place there since summer of 1789. So Louis XVI is not interested whatever the French constitution was given, the rights given to parliament, that is not a concern. That's why he secretly considered the Prussia king. Before it could happen, the National Assembly was voted April 1792 declare against Prussia and Austria. They declare war against the Prussia and Austria. Thousands of volunteers throughout of the provinces joined in the army. They saw this war, the people of against the king and aristocratic of all over Europe. The kings and aristocratic families, what are the against of the kings and aristocratics? That's why the people of all France are joined in this war. Large section of the population were convinced in the relation to has been carried further. The Constitution of 1791 gave political right only in the richer section of the societies. The political clubs became an important rally point for the people who wished to discuss the government policies and plan their own form of the actions. The most successful of these clubs they are called Jacobins, which got the name further name convent as a Saint Jacob in Paris. Most when the rich people are gained to benefits. That's why the small people who are given to the rights. That's when also make to clubs are formed. These Jacobin clubs belong to mainly the lesser prosperous section of the societies. They include small farmers. Who are the members in the Jacobin clubs? They are small shopkeepers, artisans such as the shopkeepers, pastry cook, and the watchmakers, and printers, as well as the servants and daily basis workers. And these later name is called Max Miller Robespierre. Okay, in summer 1719, Jacobin planned to insurrection of the large number of Persians who were angered by the short supplies of the high price of the food. That's why on the morning of August 10th, stormed the palace of the Tuileries. The masquerade, the kings girded and held the king himself hosted for the several hours. Later, assemblies voted the impression of the royal family, and elections were held for them. All men of who are the 21 years completed and above, regardless of wealth, they got right to vote. This one we observed. The situations are changed. Tomorrow, regarding that, I will explain for you. Thank you.